Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited to share this video with you guys, and I want to share with you guys how I take care of my kinky hair for a faster growth and a better texture. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more content. First, I'm gonna put my hair into sections so that I can apply my hair mask. So I'm gonna start applying my hair mask now. I just washed my hair with just shampoo. And I'm gonna twist. I'm gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes or 1 hour, then I'll wash it up. Now that my hair is completely rinsed off, I'm gonna partition my hair again into 6 sections or so. So now I'm gonna apply this flaxseed gel. Is a DIY flaxseed gel I made sometime last week. I can't remember, it's not important. But then this has really helped my hair grow faster. And it's really moisturizing, even though it can make your hair crunchy. All you have to do is apply oil or aloe vera gel, to just make it less crunchy. So I use this actually to detangle my hair also. This won't cause any build-up, so you can as well apply it on your scalp, massage it on your scalp. This flaxseed gel is by far the best DIY I've ever made for my hair, because it has reduced my hair fall also, and it's made my hair grow. I think maybe it's because it has a lot of omega-6, and other nutrients, of course. I'm gonna go in with aloe vera gel. This is bottled aloe vera gel I bought, but you can use you can make it yourself, like the raw natural one if you want. That is even better. This is just convenient for me. So applying this aloe vera gel helps make my hair will help make my hair less crunchy if it dries up. So I'm gonna let this dry, then I'll style. Now my hair is completely dry, I'm gonna apply mixture of olive oil and jojoba oil. I'm gonna use this. Alright, so guys, that's it for this video. This routine, you can do it once in a week, and it may seem too much, but it will really pay off. Your hair will feel soft and it will grow longer like that, because that flaxseed gel is really moisturizing and it has a lot of nutrients that will help your hair become stronger and grow faster. And also, you can use any oil of your choice. It doesn't have to be jojoba oil or olive oil, any oil of your choice that works for you, but this mixture works for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.